welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to open a bank account with the Royal Bank of Canada. Let's get started. Opening a bank account with the Royal Bank of Canada can be done through several avenues. Here's a general guide. Keeping in mind that specific requirements can vary. 1. You need to decide what type of account you need. Is it a checking, savings, or what type of account exactly do you need? RBC offers various account packages to suit different needs. Next, you need to consider your banking habits such as frequency of transactions and desired features. Next, you typically need valid government-issued identification such as passport, driver's license, permanent resident card, and if you're a newcomer to Canada, you may also need proof of immigration status and social insurance number. It's important to note that the exact required documents can vary, so it is better to check the RBC website or contact them directly. Next, you need to choose how to apply. Is it going to be online? If it's online, RBC allows you to open certain accounts online. Just visit the official RBC website and navigate to the Open an Account section. Follow the online application process, providing the required information. Do you want to register? Do you want to open an account in person? If you do, visit the local RBC branch. A bank representative will guide you through the account opening process. Do not forget to bring your required identification and documentation. If you want to open an account by phone, you can also call RBC customer service to inquire about opening accounts and in some cases begin the process. Once you've provided the accurate and complete information, review and agree to the account terms and conditions. Next, you have to make an initial deposit to activate your account. Here are the key considerations. Residency. RBC may have specific residency requirements for opening an account. RBC definitely has specific programs and resources for newcomers. So check their website for details. Enrolling in RBC online banking allows you to manage your account conveniently. Now, if you need a place to find the most accurate information, go to the RBC official website, which is rbcroyalbank.com. Or you can contact RBC customer service directly because they can provide personalized assistance.